Hi everybody, welcome to Delft Junction again. This is an add-on to what on my last vlog where I've done the Muckleborough Museum collection, brilliant collection. If you want to go and see the vlog, it's on the next one. I have done a full vlog on the Norfolk Railway before. I'm not sure what video number it is, but you can go back, you can see it. But this is just Weybourne Station, because I've sort of attached it to the Muckleborough one, and it's a beautiful station. I've captured a DMU and a steamer at the start, and a better capture at the end, the DMU and the steamer. So it's a beautiful station. It's supposed to be the best on the Norfolk line. I might have got things wrong with the railhead though. I know it was a wartime station where they got all the troops together, and they sent them off by train from there and that. But I hope you enjoy it anyway. It's a lovely station. If you do the Norfolk Railway, Poppy Line, make sure you get off at Weybourne Station. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Well, this is part of Weybourne Station. You see a little picnic area over there, very nice. I'll show you some more later on. Turn around, they're loaded some chairs at the moment, so a bit noisy here. This is the coming from Sheringham this way. We've got one due in about a quarter of an hour, and I'll film that. I don't know whether it's a DMU or a steamer, but wait and see, eh? Here we are, sitting in the sunshine before the train comes, enjoying a nice hot chocolate. And what have I got? What sandwich have I got? Coronation chicken on white bread. It's going to be quite nice, quite enjoyable. Anyway, as soon as the train comes in, I'll clock that, and I'll show you the rail yard later on where they did the World War I stuff. I think it's there where the railhead was. So this is Weybourne Station, or Weybourne Station, which I'm doing sort of like an attachment to me Muckleborough vlog. Okay folks, see you soon. Well, I missed the DMU coming in, but we've got a steamer coming now. So it's coming backwards. So I'd like to see the DMU come in. I just missed it. But look at this. Beautiful steamer. Here she comes. Don't know what class it is. How nice was that? So nice little eating areas all over this station, Weybourne. Just said our munches. Let me see. Quite nice in here. Even got a little water feature, look. Here we are at the end of the platform at the moment. Can't see much of the yard because all the locos are blocking it. But this is a nice old thing. I don't know what I thought it was a 37, but might be a class 50, is it? I don't know. But someone can put me wise to that. It's a lovely old thing. Sue's staying away from me at the moment while I'm filming. I say it's all blocking the yard off at the moment. I'll see if I can go up a bit. But we'll go on the bridge and have a look on there anyway. Look at the old semaphore signals. Brilliant, isn't it, eh? Good old days. It's even got its own model railway here, look.
That's as far as it
Can't seem to work out how you start it off though. Quite a nice bit of modelling going on there. Sorry about reflection. The old funfair area. Nice bit of modelling there. Shame it's not working. I can't seem to get it working. It says press a button and press the button and nothing's happening. Yeah, press the button. No joy. So go up the other end anyway. Have a quick look at it. Just a bit too much reflection there. And it's a model train set. Even great if it was working. That's a picture of the yard. Can't get much of it actually. Need to go down the end of the platform, but I don't allow you to do that. But say it's quite a big yard. It goes right the way behind the sheds there. As I say, I'm not sure whether this was the railhead. World War One, Mark 1 tanks and that. But I think it was. You know, that's all I can do with the yard at the moment. Shame. Would have liked to got into it a bit better. But they don't allow you at the end of the platform. It's another eating place. So they're dotted all over this station. So it's well worth a visit if you want to come down there. As I said before, I've done a whole vlog on the Norfolk line. It's a really interesting place to go. Beautiful day out if you want to do it. There's a signal cabin.
You look at the trains and how they operate.
Patient handles.
Fascinating, the sheer number of leads. As I say, I dare say after a while that becomes second nature.
Well, it does.
The
numbers on the levers are repeated on the plan up there, so you can see what you're operating. But you soon get to know. I don't never look at that. I know what's what.
Well, it doesn't change tremendously, I don't suppose, from day to day. I mean, you have the busy season requires.
This is a little station museum bit. Norfolk Railway. Quite a lot of information here. I won't bore you with stopping on anything and explaining everything. So if you do this, then you can come down and see for yourself. So it's well worth a day out. I might have got it wrong with the railhead because here is a map of 1911 and I can't see a railhead on there. So it might have been somewhere. It's near Weybourne, but I don't know where it actually was. But never mind, eh? Here we are, right up the other end of the station. Yet more eating, picnic areas. Sorry about the RAF. They're doing a lot of practicing. They're very noisy. Got this bit along here. I'm trying not to walk too much because I'm not using my gimbal. It's down here. Sorry about the joggy bits. Is the Anderson shelter. Old Anderson shelter. Go around here. There he is down there. With luck, I'll catch the DMU coming in a minute. Here she comes, the old DMU. Didn't miss it this time. There's also a steamer waiting to come out as well, and we'll catch him as well. I didn't miss it this time. Here she comes. There's a steamer waiting to come out. shouldn't be too long. I'll get him coming out anyway. Here he comes. That's the old 74 came down as well. Oh, look at that. What a lovely sound. Here she comes. So see the 74 go up? Will it go up? See if she go up. Will she go up? Should do. He'll pull that lever in a minute, I think. Oh, look at the sound of that train. Oh, missed it. It's gone up. Well, there you go. That's Weybourne station. So it's a wartime station. I'm not sure whether I got all my facts right, but I know there was a camp here where they all congregated before they went off to war. But it's a beautiful station. It's supposed to be the best in Norfolk, evidently, so it says on the board. So if you want to do the Norfolk line, don't forget to stop at Weybourne station. Okay? So enjoy.